Hello and welcome, as usual, to the Geek Club. Today we are going to play a game called Atom Smasher. I have never played this game. Dates from 1983 on the Commodore Vic 20. And this is as far as I've got in the game, so I've never played it. Let's read what it says, shall we? The game starts with a blue electron moving erratically around the neutron. To delay meltdown, you must shoot the proton, which moves around purple. Okay. Nucleus. Ah, right. With your remote-controlled super laser! Yep, a normal laser won't do this. You need a super laser! Each time you shoot the proton, an extra electron appears. It will collide with an electron. You lose one of your lives if you shoot an electron. Everything speeds up for a short time, until electrons cool down a little. If you delay shooting the proton, meltdown... Oh, I don't know. Right, use joystick. Go on then. We'll use the joystick. Please wait. Right, press fire to play, or L to set the one. So, what am I doing? This is very, very weird. What the hell is going on? Now, I read the instructions, and I still don't understand. Okay, right. Okay. I collided with an electron. Right, okay. Proton. Yes! I did something. I have no idea what that is, but I did it. Oh my god. It is a bit frantic. I will tell you that now. I will tell you that free of charge. It is frantic. Right, go. Oh shit. Yes! I killed something. Now I need to get out of the way. Oh, I can shoot charges. Okay, we'll try that then. Alright, let's go. Yeah, you lose point if you shoot an electron. Although the electrons are bloody everywhere. Let's try this again. Oh, you cock. Right, what are them? Right, kill that guy. Yes. Yes. Yes, my minions! Yes! Don't know what that's about, but I enjoy shooting them. And that's... oh shit. And that is all... Cock me bollocks! Cock me bollocks, me Jim! Whoa! Whoa! This is one manic ass game. And it's quite addictive. Right, let's yes. Yes. Those things are coming after me, aren't they? Not your classic electrons, are they? They're sort of trained samurai killers. Uh-oh. It's going... oh, right, let's get this one. Oh, he got me. My world is shaking. This is bonkers. What is that about? I've never seen an atom with that sort of thing. Let's kill it. Just because we can. Go, 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 go. I love the sound when you kill that. That's very satisfying. So we're playing just for that. Yeah, hey. Get away from me, you little shit. I'm gonna have another go, because I like this. It's insane. Somehow it reminds me of me. Ha 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 ha. Go! And... cock. Yes! No. No. Whoa. That thing's following me. How did he know? Yeah, if you shoot an electron, you ain't got much chance. Right, for this one. Oh, straight in nosedive, straight into him. Right, come on. Ow, cock. Right, Atom Smasher. Commodore Vic 20. Looks like a load of fun. Difficult to control, but looks like a load of fun. So get that one if you have the opportunity. I highly recommend it. And if you haven't and you've enjoyed the video, then please subscribe. We also have links to our social media, including Facebook and Twitter below. And cards leading to more of my Commodore Vic 20 videos and more of my electro gaming videos. So, bloody much will help to help that one. Thank you very much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.